So alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today this video is going to be super quick and a very step by step, so stick around until the end to fix this issue. That is, if you see this, it says on your dashboard that your theme F child contains an outdated copies of some WooCommerce template files, right? This is a very annoying issue, so let's fix this. First we'll go and check what are the affected files. We'll just scroll down. While we scroll down, we can see the which file is exactly outdated, and we'll fix that exact file only. That's it. So as we can see, the pagination.php is the file which is outdated, and the core version says it's 9.3.0. so to fix this, I'll ask you all to install a plugin which is WP file manager. As you all can see, wait, I'll show you all. It's here. Okay, so like a file manager, I already installed it, so like you can install it and activate it. Once you have installed, just like go in that plugin. Now here what we have to do, make sure you follow all the steps. Go inside the WP content in your themes, then F4, whatever the name of your theme is, and then we have to see which exactly the path is of that outdated file. So yeah, it's WooCommerce loop pagination.php. So now what we have to do is we'll go in our manager plugin again, and we'll check where is the loop folder in F4. In the WooCommerce, I believe it is. Yeah, it is in the WooCommerce and the loop, and yeah, it's here. For the security purpose and like to not have an issue later, just take a backup. I would suggest you like just download it out. Okay, once you have downloaded it, now we can install the WooCommerce zip from the official website. Once you have downloaded it, you can just unzip it. I have already unzipped, so I'll show you all. Now we go in the templates in the loop folder, and we can see the pagination.php is here. Now what we have to do is make sure that we copy this path. Once you have copied it, go inside the WP manager plugin, and what you have to do is like just select, right click and upload the files. Now select the files. Now the path we copied, just paste it out here. Now you can see that we have to just select the pagination.php, and yes, we have to merge it, or you can say the old one gets replaced. So yes, just do that. Once you have done it, save it. I believe it gets an auto saved. Once it's done, you can just refresh it, I believe. So let's check. Okay, yes, you can see the like save button is not here. It means it gets automatically updated. This is a live project work, so yeah. Okay, so I believe the error has been gone, and like the error which outdated template files which were coming on our dashboard is fixed. All right, we're done. So now that all the problems and the issues have been solved about the templates of outdated files, make sure to hit the like button on this video, and make sure you subscribe my channel. And if you are still facing some issues with this like template outdated files, make sure to comment it down, and I'll try my best to help you out. Until then, see you all. Appreciate. This was my live work, like it was my client's work I was doing and recording it for you all. So thank you all for understanding if I have missed on in or like messed up while recording it. Thank you so much.